So in today's video, you can tell, oh, someone's broke down here.
Should I stop?
I don't know what they were doing. One looked like she was on her phone.
She did.
But we are in a different vehicle because my girlfriend bought a brand new Bronco. And she built it to her spec, so I can go over. Is it still in here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go over what it is. So, it is a 2023 Bronco, the Outer Banks edition, and it does have the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. So it is the 4-cylinder, smaller motor. I only told her to go with that one because she built it only because at the time of her looking at buying a vehicle, these Broncos were going for over MSRP with 10,000 miles. So it's like, why not just build one the way you want it for the same price, if not $10,000 cheaper, and it's got 5 miles on it or less. So she has I think it only comes in automatic. I'm not sure, I can't remember exactly, but she did opt for the brown leather, as you can probably see behind me. The trim, this is brown. It looks so sick, very good. And then she got the green, I believe it's called the Eruption Green, and a lot of Mustangs have it now. It looks amazing in the sunlight. We'll have to show you once we get stopped. And then when it's like a cloudy, overcast day, it looks really, really good too, because it's like a dark green, and then in the sun it looks like a yellow green. But I don't know what else to really say.
Hard top.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we clearly have the top open, taking the tops off, because there's like the two here, and then the one in the middle, kind of like a Jeep, the Gladiators. So that's another thing about these vehicles. I feel like the way she built it from factory, it's better option and the best off-roading capable vehicle that you could get from the factory, because it comes stock with, I think it came with like 35s or 37s. They're not 37s, they're 35s from factory. And she did get the Sasquatch package, so it has upgraded suspension. It has these buttons for like front and rear locking diff, along with, I think this is like the 360 button where you turn it or push it on and then it locks the one wheel, so then you can turn around quicker if you're on a trail. So we'll see. We probably won't be taking this one off-roading much, just maybe to a field or whatever. But we do plan on going to a Ford. So it's a Ford Bronco off-roading trip, offered by Ford, where we can go to Texas, Moab, was it New Hampshire or Connecticut?
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire, and there's one other place where we could go where they allow you to use one of their Broncos that's kind of built like yours in similarity, so that way they teach you how to off-road it, and it gives you the knowledge of how capable your vehicle is, which is going to be really cool. I hope we get to do that. That'll be awesome. I'll take you guys on that trip too, as long as we can record. I'll have to ask them. But yeah, so I'll show you the outside clips. We'll do some B-roll and just enjoy the video. Very exciting. Okay, so when it comes to the Sasquatch package, as I was saying before, this is what all it comes with. They're not 37s, they're 35s from factory, but I mean, that's still really, really big. It looks nice, fits the Bronco really well. It's really flush with the fenders. That way it's not tucked in with like those other stock wheels. It also comes with the upgraded suspension, such as, I think they're from Bilstein, actually. Let me see if I can get under here. Yeah, so as you can see right there, there's the Bilstein. Kind of like how the Raptor, or not the Raptor, the TRX, Ram TRX comes with the Bilstein shocks suspension. So And then here's a good look at her paint. I mean, it's a little dirty from the bugs and everything, but you can see it's like a yellow-green in the sunlight. It looks really, really good. And then when you get into the shade, I mean, it just changed right there. You can see how dark it is. Just looks amazing. I think this, and then the chili pepper red, I believe it is like one of the best colors on the Broncos right now, along with this leather interior. It just looks amazing. Look how open it is. It's so sweet. Very happy for her. All right, so now you know that my buddy Tyler has a Jeep, and he built his Jeep from factory. So we're gonna have to compare and contrast, although his is like heavily modified now, so we can talk that into factors too, because this is completely stock Bronco and his is a modified Jeep Gladiator with upgraded suspension. I think his sway links are different. He has bigger tires now, but he has 33s, which is not as big as the 35s from factory. So there's something that they don't give you from Jeep. I don't know about like their 392 series. I don't know if they come with bigger wheels or not, but very happy with how Ford allows you to customize it pretty much however you want almost. Gives you all these options to choose from. So we're gonna do that in the next video, along with making one where we go to a undisclosed location right now because we don't know where it's gonna be. But Emily is gonna be the one picking out where we're going. Do you know where?
I think we're gonna go to the Moab.
We're gonna Moab, Utah. So we'll see if we can get that booked, and that'll be very, very fun. So she'll probably be the one mainly driving it since she's the one that owns the Bronco, and I'll just be the passenger princess getting all the footage. So alrighty, we'll see you guys in the next one.